This is now cooled down. As you can see, wow, looking so nice. Now let's just have a taste. Mmm. 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 I like it. It's not so sweet. Plus, I'm using honey. Mm. Mm. I like it. It's nice. This is a very healthy option. Snacks for the kids. A cookie snacks for the kids. This is a healthy option. A little crunchy. I like it. Hello guys, good morning and happy Monday to everyone.
And I'm eating lollipop.
And today we gonna make snacks for Isabella. Yes. So actually I have bought I bought these oats, but Isabella stopped eating oats. She doesn't like it. So I'm gonna make chocolate oatmeal cookies out of oats. So yeah, it's much healthier. Yeah.
You know what? I can only eat lollipop someday. And Dad buy me Kinder Egg.
Yes.
It's a toy and I don't like oats because last time when I eat them, I don't like it. Last time when I was small, I spit that out. I vomit.
Yeah, so anyway guys, I'm gonna make a cookie out of the oats so it doesn't get wasted, because soon it's gonna expire, so I have to use it. So first, for these ingredients we require of course oats, okay, and then all-purpose flour, and we need baking powder and cinnamon powder and a dash of salt, and we need egg, and we need honey. Actually, if you
Guys,
have
this is
if you have a maple syrup, that was also the best. Actually, I'm using only substitute because I don't have it, so I'm using honey instead. And we need a vanilla essence or vanilla extract, will work same, and sunflower oil. If you have coconut oil, that's also the best. Actually, you have to use coconut oil, but since I don't use coconut oil, I'm using only sunflower oil. So now we just have to mix all these ingredients, and please keep on watching.
Guys.
So here we have a mixing bowl. First, we have to put our oats, 1.5 cup of oats. This is a quick oats.
Guys,
I'm gonna put 1.5.
guys, I've never had oat cookies before, this is my actually first time
Yes.
seeing
So this is the one.
oats
And
cookies.
also, I forgot one ingredients.
Guys, I never had oat cookies, so this is my first time having one.
I'm also adding that I'm gonna put chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips, guys.
Yes. So now I have here, I forgot how many cups is this now. Yeah, 1.5. And now for the all-purpose flour, we need 1 cup of it. Just 1 cup.
That's 3, Mama.
It's 1 cup.
No.
Okay. And then on this, we need a
Sugar.
baking powder, which is 1.5 teaspoon.
I mean baking powder. I'm so confused, guys.
Yes. Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of it, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon powder. I love the smell of cinnamon actually. So you can just put 1. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay? I can can smell the cinnamon. Smells really good.
I
And
don't
now,
like cinnamon.
and now Isabella will give a good mix. It should be mixed well combined. And Bella will do it. You have to do it, baby, like this. I'll do it because you're eating your lollipop.
Mama, I put this.
So you just have to make sure it is well combined. Just have to do it.
I just do like this.
Yes.
I'm not playing with it, Mama.
So that is enough. Mixing is enough.
Oof, this mixing.
So now we'll set aside this. And now we have to do the liquid mixture.
Liquid mixture.
So I have
The
here.
honey. Liquid mixture.
We can have put a half teaspoon of honey. I just have to estimate from my tablespoon. Half teaspoon of it.
Half teaspoon.
No, sorry, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
Just leave it, please.
I just help you. I'm just holding your hand just in case you get scared.
Okay, that's enough. And
Me too.
I'm gonna crack 1 egg as well.
Crack it. Oh,
If
God.
you are vegetarian, then just leave the egg.
Then what you should do, crack this.
Then you have to give it a good mix.
Alex.
Yes, please. Give a good mix. Just like that.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put some honey.
That's enough mixing,
That's
Mama.
enough. That's enough.
That's like
And honey, I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of honey. So
okay, but one
just
cup.
putting like, just have to estimate this. 1/3 of honey.
Guys, estimate
that's
this.
enough.
Okay? Then give him good mix.
Give a good mix. And now this is done. Now Bella will transfer this in another bowl where there is the oats in it.
Well, you'll transfer. I'm
Okay,
too
so
scared.
Bella will give a good mix.
Okay. I don't want to transfer, guys. This, remember last time we transfer, it made a big mess. Yes, I
Good
know.
mix. I'll do it
You
because
do
I
it.
keep them hard. And then Bella will put some at the end. Wait.
What's inside here? I want to eat more.
So Bella will drop some chocolate chips. We're eating,
I'm
Mikey.
Yeah, sorry, Mom, I like it.
It's okay.
Next time I won't do it. Now, guys, I'm gonna put this inside.
So Isabella's gonna put just 1/4 cup of the chocolate chips.
And then you'll mix it and I'll put.
Yes. What more?
Tell me if it's enough.
It's for everything.
For everything.
Yes.
And the bag didn't get finished.
It's okay, no problem. We have one more. Isabel.
Okay, should I go?
Yes,
Everything?
please. Yes, please. Okay, throw it at plastic. So now, this is done. So,
Wait, Mama, I want to put the other one. I want to put the other one.
no, because we have to make one more. Another one. So now we just put this in the fridge. Chill it for 30 minutes.
Yeah. Chill.
Chill. So this is for 30 minutes. Then we can cook this after some time. Hello guys, I'm back. And this one is done. It was been chilled in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now we have to put it in a baking tray and we have to bake it. We have to bake this. This is without oven. So same process where I'm gonna cook it in the stove. So first we're gonna have a circle, make a circle pieces and just flatten it after. Just to flatten. It's becoming like this. So it will be like this. So now guys, it's done. So now this is how it looks like. So for that measurements, I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was able to make 11 pieces, but it comes in different sizes. I have small, medium sizes. So anyway, now we have to put this in our pan. So I have here, this is preheated already. So as you can see, it is smoking hot. Now I have put here salt. I have put salt on the bottom. This is the white color. Okay, and I have this one stand. And then now we have to put this inside. And we have to cook this like for 50 minutes. Oh, perfect. So see, we have to cook in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. My husband said 50 or 15. I said 15 minutes. This is done. It has been cooking now for 15 minutes, actually 16. To stitch up this. And we have, this is how it looks like, guys. So this is cooked. So now we have to remove this from the pan, and it is so hot that we have to make this one. Oh my god. It's just so hot. So we have, ta-da! See? Wow, pretty. So pretty. This is now cooled down. As you can see, wow, looking so nice. Now let's just have a taste. Mmm. 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 I like it. It's not so sweet. Plus, I'm using honey. Mmm. I like it, it's nice. This is a very healthy option. Snacks for the kids. A cookie snacks for the kids. This is a healthy option. A little crunchy, I like it. So that's all for today, guys. This is the ideal snacks recipe that I could able to share with you. It is very healthy and is perfect for the kids snacks. So I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.
And